Yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a TikTok video on Instagram. So now let's go and share our TikTok video to our Instagram. So let's go there. We are going to click our TikTok. Now I'm going to share this specific video now to my Instagram. I'm just going to click on, let me show my tab. So I'm going to click on this button, just click on share, and it is going to bring where you want to share to. I'm just going to scroll, and then I'm going to click on my Instagram direct here. Just click on Instagram. Okay, let's see, just click on Instagram direct message here. Click on it, and see it is loading. Oh, let's wait for it. Yeah, this is it. Now whether you want to share it to anybody here, you can see just search and search, and that is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe, it helps a lot. Thank you, and like, and you can share, and you drop any comment there to say if there's anything or any tutorial you would like me to drop. Thank you guys.